Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the GitHub Actions. Today we are going to learn about how to use the GitHub Action environment variables. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So there are two main ways to use the environment variables in the GitHub Actions. So what are the two ways? So defining them in a workflow. You can set the custom environment variables that are specific to the single workflow. This is done using the env key. Env key, right? So env and your variable. So this is the first. You can access this variable within your workflow. How? With $myvar. So this is my environment variable and I can use it like this. Okay. Next, we have the using contexts, right? So GitHub Actions provides set of predefined context variables that contain information about the workflow run. So these include the things like the branch that triggered the workflow, the commit SHA, your secret token. You can access these context variables using the GitHub context, right? So GitHub Action provides a number of context variables that you can access using the GitHub context. These variables contain information about the workflow to run itself. So these are basically, if you want to go github.sha, so this commit sha that triggered the workflow, github.ref, the branch or the tag that triggered the workflow, right? The github.actor, the name of the user who triggered the workflow, and GitHub token, a secret token that can be used to authenticate the GitHub APIs, right? So these are the two ways that we can use to define the environment variables, right? So in the next video, we are going to make it in a practical way how we are going to use it, okay, in a workflow. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.